Tired of waiting for your earnings? Let's unlock instant access to your DoorDash Pay with your virtual DasherDirect card. First, open your DasherDirect app. Make sure you've already been approved for the DasherDirect program. If you haven't, you'll need to apply through the app first. Once you're in, navigate to the card section. It usually sits at the bottom of your screen. Tap the card icon. This will take you to your card details. Now, you should see options for both your physical and virtual card. We're focusing on the virtual one today. Select virtual card. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV. This is all the information you need for online purchases. Think of it as your physical card, but digital. To use it, simply copy and paste these details into the payment section of any website or app that accepts MasterCard. Copy the card number, then the expiration date, and finally the CVV. Double check that you are copying and pasting everything correctly. The virtual card is often safer than the physical one for online transactions because even if the card details are stolen, your physical card remains secure. Also, you get access to your earnings instantly after dashing. No more waiting for bank transfers. Having trouble? Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and if a transaction is declined, double check you have sufficient funds available in your DasherDirect account or that you entered the correct information. Also, it may be possible the website has security settings on their end. And that's it. You're now ready to use your virtual DasherDirect card like a pro. Enjoy instant access to your earnings and happy dashing.